In a world of ever-evolving financial landscapes, the pursuit of financial stability and success can feel like a mysterious journey. However, 7 key principles can set you on the path to earning $10,000 per month in 2024. These principles are not just about working tirelessly or relying on luck. They're about crafting a strategic roadmap that leads to a brighter and more secure financial future. Join us as we navigate through the principles that will empower you to achieve the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. But before we dive in, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to stay until the end because the 7th principle could be the game changer. Let's get started. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. In the journey to financial success, one of the fundamental steps is to set clear and smart financial goals. This simple yet powerful practice paves the way for achieving your desired monthly income, such as the coveted $10,000 per month. Smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and they provide a roadmap to turn dreams into reality. Setting specific goals means defining the what and why. Instead of merely wishing for more money, pinpoint the exact amount you want and determine why you want it. For instance, I want to make $10,000 per month to provide financial security for my family and travel more frequently. This clarity adds a compelling purpose to your goal. Measurability is crucial because it allows you to track your progress. With the $10,000 per month goal, you can regularly assess your earnings to see if you're on the right path or if adjustments are needed. It's like having a personal financial compass, always pointing you in the right direction. Achievability is the "can I do it" aspect of your goal. Ensure that your goal is within the realm of possibility based on your current resources and capabilities. If it's a stretch, you might need to break it down into smaller, achievable steps. Perhaps you start by earning an extra $1,000 per month and gradually scale up. Relevance asks whether your goal aligns with your life's broader objectives. The $10,000 monthly target should fit into your overall financial plan and lifestyle. It becomes a motivating force when you see how it connects with your aspirations. Finally, time-bound sets a deadline for achieving your goal. This adds a sense of urgency and prevents procrastination. For instance, I will make $10,000 per month within the next 18 months. Number 2. Diversify income streams. In the world of personal finance, there's a vital principle that's both simple and fascinating: diversify your income streams. It's like having more than one arrow in your financial quiver, and it can be your key to achieving your monetary goals. Relying on a single source of income, like your 9-to-5 job, can be quite risky in today's dynamic economic landscape. To make your financial journey interesting and secure, consider exploring multiple avenues to earn money. First and foremost, your full-time job is a crucial source of income, but it might not always be enough to reach those financial heights you dream of. So, what's the solution? Part-time work or freelance projects can be fantastic sidekicks to your primary job. These opportunities not only bring in extra cash, but also provide a safety net in case of unexpected job loss or emergencies. Investing is another fascinating avenue to explore. Think of it as your money working for you while you sleep. It's like planting financial seeds that can grow into healthy financial trees. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies are some options to consider. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient. And if you're feeling entrepreneurial, why not start a side business? It could be something you're passionate about or a unique idea that's been brewing in your mind. A side business not only adds to your income, but also offers a thrilling sense of ownership and control. Number 3. Budget and save. Budgeting, often overlooked but crucial, is the cornerstone of financial success. Picture it as your financial roadmap, a tool to navigate the winding roads of income and expenses. It all starts with a simple yet powerful step: creating a detailed budget. In this essay, we'll explore how budgeting can be the compass that guides you towards achieving your financial goals, including making $10,000 per month. A budget is your financial blueprint, giving you a clear picture of your monthly income and expenses. It's like shining a light on your financial landscape, revealing the nooks and crannies where your hard-earned dollars flow. This step alone can be eye-opening. You may discover areas where you can trim expenses, channeling more resources towards your financial ambitions. Saving, the unsung hero of wealth building, plays a pivotal role in this journey. Your budget allows you to allocate a portion of your income to savings. This isn't merely a suggestion, it's a critical step. Why? Because saving not only fuels your dreams, but also acts as your financial cushion. It's your emergency fund, the parachute that ensures peace of mind during unexpected financial turbulence. Number 4. Invest wisely. Investing your hard-earned money is like planting seeds for a future financial harvest. It's an essential strategy to grow your wealth steadily over time. When you invest wisely, you are essentially putting your money to work for you. To do this effectively, consider these straightforward principles. First, research different investment options. Think about stocks, which are like owning a tiny part of a company, or real estate, which can appreciate over time and provide rental income. Mutual funds, on the other hand, allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without needing to pick individual stocks. And bonds offer a more conservative option with regular interest payments. It's crucial to understand your own risk tolerance and investment horizon. Risk tolerance means knowing how much uncertainty you can handle. If you are comfortable with some ups and downs in your investments, you can consider higher risk options like stocks. But if you prefer stability, bonds might be more suitable. Consistency is a key factor. Instead of trying to predict when the market will rise or fall, focus on regular, disciplined investing. This approach, often called dollar cost averaging, involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Over time, it can lead to significant growth thanks to the power of compounding interest and market growth. Number 5. Acquire skills and education. Continuous learning and skill development play a pivotal role in boosting your earning potential. Imagine your skills as tools in your career toolbox. The more proficient and diverse your tools are, the better equipped you'll be to excel in the job market and increase your income. This principle is essential in our rapidly evolving world where technological advancements and changing industry demands continuously reshaping the professional landscape. Investing in further education, obtaining certifications, or acquiring new skills can significantly enhance your attractiveness to potential employers and clients. Think of it as a way to level up in your career game. For instance, if you are in the IT field, acquiring the latest certifications in cloud computing or cybersecurity can set you apart as an expert in high-demand areas. Learning is not just about adding letters after your name. It's about staying relevant and adaptable. In the competitive job market, companies seek individuals who can bring innovative ideas and fresh perspectives to the table. By constantly learning, you demonstrate your commitment to growth and improvement. Moreover, continuous learning can open doors to better job opportunities. Employers are often willing to pay higher salaries to those who possess up-to-date skills and knowledge. It's like investing in yourself, with the returns coming in the form of a more substantial paycheck. Additionally, the ability to adapt to new challenges and industry shifts is invaluable. As the world evolves, industries change and new opportunities emerge. A willingness to learn and adapt positions you as a valuable asset. Number 6. Network and build relationships. In today's dynamic world, networking has become more than just a buzzword. It's a vital tool for success. Building a robust professional network can open doors to exciting job prospects, forge valuable partnerships, and attract potential clients. It's not just about who you know, it's about how you connect with them and leverage those connections. Here's how to make networking work for you. To start, attending industry events is akin to a treasure hunt for opportunities. It's a chance to meet like-minded individuals, exchange ideas, and discover potential job openings or collaborations. These events provide a platform for personal interaction and establish a face behind a name, making it easier to build trust. Engaging with others in your field is equally essential. Sharing knowledge and insights not only enriches your understanding, but also showcases your expertise. This kind of engagement can lead to spontaneous collaborations, professional growth, and new possibilities. In our digital age, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram allow you to connect with potential collaborators, mentors, and even clients. Building an online presence can help you network globally, crossing geographical boundaries. Number 7. Work hard and be persistent. In the pursuit of earning $10,000 per month, one fundamental principle stands tall: the importance of working hard and being persistent. The road to financial success is not an easy one, but with dedication and unwavering persistence, it becomes an achievable destination. Imagine your financial goal as a lofty mountain. To reach its peak, you must be prepared for a challenging ascent. Hard work is the sturdy pair of boots that will carry you forward. You must put in the effort, invest your time, and use your skills and knowledge to climb towards your monthly income objective. In today's competitive world, success seldom comes with sweat and determination. However, it's important to recognize that the path to financial prosperity is rarely a straight line. Setbacks are part of the journey, and they may test your resolve. This is where persistence becomes your guiding star. In the face of adversity, it's crucial to keep your eyes on the prize and believe in the path you've chosen. Resilience and adaptability are your companions on this journey. Be open to change and embrace it as an opportunity for growth. The world evolves, and so should your strategies. Staying informed about market trends is essential. Whether it's a shifting job market or changing consumer preferences, adaptability allows you to pivot and capitalize on new opportunities. Continuous refinement of your strategies is the key to success. As you move forward, learn from your experiences. What works today may not work tomorrow, so be ready to adjust and improve. This adaptability, combined with your hard work, ensures you stay on course even when the path takes unexpected turns. Don't forget to share your commitment in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to financial success.